Greetings affiliate marketers, welcome to another video from How to Master. Today I'd like to introduce you to HubSpot. This is an enterprise level app which includes an all-in-one solution for companies, and basically here's what it includes: Marketing Hub, sales, service, content creating, commerce, operations, and things like email tools, SEO, integrating analytics, paid traffic. So let's take a look at the price. And again, this is enterprise level, so you can expect huge prices. $800 a month for the Marketing Hub Professional, all the way to $3,600 a month for the enterprise level Marketing Hub. And these are for enterprise level plans. There are individuals and small teams. There are even a free plan, $0, no credit card required, to test out their tools. Here it is: marketing tools, sales tools, content, CRM tools. And then for individuals, you can do upgraded plans for $15 a month. As an affiliate marketer, you can make up to $1,000 per sale if you connect with one of those enterprise level customers. And on top of that, you can get recurring commission % for up to 1 year. And on top of that, there is a tiered payout. So the more you refer, the more you will get an increase in commission percentage, along with bonuses right here. And you can join the affiliate program for absolutely free. There's no cost to you whatsoever. Check it out, and you can sign up for HubSpot as a free member as well to test out their tools. I'll leave the link down below. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more tips, tricks, tutorials on affiliate marketing and more. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.